Today we're going to be opening surprises! And I have a special guest here. It's my brother Angel. What? Kinder surprises. I have a special guest here. It's my brother Angel.
Special guest Angel's finger.
Yep. He's got a finger. Hi, I have a finger man. Come on. But I have a special guest here. It's my brother Angel.
I think it's your brother Angel's foot.
Yes.
Dirty.
Yeah. Alright guys, so today we are going to be opening Kinder surprise eggs like we promised in our last video.
I heard something in there.
You hear something in there?
Let's
Oh my
open
goodness.
it.
So I think we have Ninja Turtle, Kinder Sorpresa.
I'll have both of these guys.
Oh,
This is
and over
Raphael.
here, Arielle has Barbie. So you guys can pick out 3 for this video, and we will open them up one at a time. Do you guys got your 3?
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Let's go.
Who goes first? You guys know the drill. Who goes first?
Me. The youngest.
No.
Okay, rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
You guys pick rock and paper. Angel picks rock every time, and you always pick scissors or
You're not
paper.
supposed to punch the paper.
Yeah, and no punching the paper.
Covers
Yes.
the rock.
Yeah. So I think Arielle won this one by covering the rock. Angel, rock doesn't beat everything.
Yeah, rock. No, rock beat everything.
So Arielle goes first, and our first Barbie, our first Barbie surprise egg. Cause in our last video we opened a few Kinder eggs.
Yeah, and the game up there.
Yeah, and the game in the up high, way up there. Hello, game up there.
Hello, games.
Hello, games. Our Kerplunk game.
This is a little bit hard.
Oh my gosh, these are trickier.
Okay, can you
These
open
are
it?
trickier. Yeah, you just pop it.
Yay. Who did I get?
What do we got? What do we
I think
got?
I got the ballerina. Yeah, I got the ballerina. I got the ballerina.
You got the ballerina? You don't know?
Can you do this for me? Can you do this for me?
Yes, I can zoom that for you. You just have to pop them.
Look it.
What is she? Oh my gosh, she is amazing. Ooh, and Angel got...
And I have stickers.
Oh, remember, the Ninja Turtles require a little bit of assembly to them.
I did it.
Let me see, who is that?
That's no
I don't know his name. I think is that
Master Splinter.
is that a raccoon? Arielle, how you doing over there?
Good.
What happened to your Barbie? Oh.
Here you go, Barbie.
There you go. I don't think Barbie eats chocolate.
Good, you ate some.
All right, you got him? You got him going over there, Angel?
Yeah.
So for our first egg, we got a Master Splinter and a Barbie Spy Squad ballerina. We're ready for egg number 2, and Angel gets to open his first. Let's see what Angel gets.
I have the chocolate.
Well, I guess Angel opens his egg by just eating it. I guess Arielle can open hers too. Open your number 2, Arielle. I guess Angel's just eating his egg. He's not even worried about what's inside of his. No. Let's see. Angel eating your egg. You're almost in. Arielle, what do you got going on over here?
I accidentally opened one of Angel's.
You opened Angel's? Oh my god, just a wrapper. It's okay. We didn't get to the toy yet.
How did you open these?
I don't know. You gotta pop them. Let me see. Look. Let me see. So, to open these, you just... Whoa! You drop them on the floor. Oh, Angel opened his. Give it a little pop.
Daddy, this guy again.
Oh, you got him again? Let's see what you got, buddy. Oh, another splinter. What did you get, Arielle?
I got another girl. Oh no! Oh.
Did you get a different girl?
Yeah.
Awesome. Ooh, that is so cool.
I think it's a tap girl.
Ooh, it's a tap girl. You like tap girls? Well, you don't like tap girls?
I do like.
What's the matter with tap girls? Uh-oh, now she's a tapping on the floor girl. Well.
There shows something without this. Where's my feet and my dress?
Where's my feet and my dress?
I got it.
What? You guys are so crazy. She comes with a little purse. Awesome. Alright guys, now let's get to our blind egg number 3. Open them up guys, let's see what's inside. Whoa, this is how you open it like a professional. Come on, professional egg opener. Come on, professional egg openers. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Since when do professionals just banging on the floor? What? They use their teeth too? Professional teeth opener and eater. Don't eat the plastic, guys. Whoa. Another master splinter for Angel. Ay, ay, ay. Hold on, let's see what Arielle got. What did Arielle get? Did you get a different one?
Yeah, I got a normal girl.
Oh, just a normal. She's just a normal girl. Hello, Angel. Hi.
Now can I have this?
Now can I have this? All right. Well, how about we open one more?
Yeah.
Yeah. Open. How about you open this one?
Yeah.
Because that one's almost open, Angel. And Arielle, I'm gonna pick this one for you. Here. All right. So far we have these guys right here.
I hope I don't get a duplicate.
I know. Go ahead and pop them open, guys.
I hope I don't get this guy again.
Whoa, that one was easy to open. Whoa, you're eating the plastic again. You guys use your teeth.
I got a different one.
Oh my gosh, there's so many different bars. If Angel gets a master splinter, I am gonna laugh. Ooh, he got a new one. I'm not sure who he is. Oh, I see who it is, Angel. It's Shredder. Shredder is so cool.
Oh.
Yeah, he has his shredder blade and everything, huh? Alright guys, I think we're gonna open one more because Angel and Arielle have different amounts, and if we open 2 more Ninja Turtle ones, then we will be even for our next video. There will be 4 and 4, so we're gonna open 2 more Ninja Turtle ones. Uh-oh.
He got a duplicate.
Angel's...
He got 2.
Oh, what did you get? What's in there? Another Master Shredder.
I got a master.
Uh-oh, let's see what Angel got. Maybe he got another one.
Oh, yep, he got another one I could see.
What did you got? What did you got? Is it a Ninja Turtle?
Raphael!
You got Raphael. It's about time.
The red guy.
You got the red guy?
Yeah.
Raphael! Cool, now we have 2 different Ninja Turtles. We actually got another Ninja Turtle in our other video. Alright guys, that was awesome. Alright, let's put these together and show you guys what we got. In today's Kinder Surprise Eggs, we got a Ninja Turtle Raphael. We got 3 Master Splinters. We got 2 Shredders. We got a Barbie Spy Squad. We got a Fashion Barbie. We got a Designer Barbie, I'd call her. We're just making up names here. And we got the skateboarding Barbie. Alright guys, so in our next video we will be opening these 4 and these 4. And Arielle decided that she wants to make a chocolate clay pie.
Well, it's crushed chocolate.
No,
Crust chocolate. Yeah, buddy, go ahead.
But not with the sword. These are
Not
for
with
Barbies
the
over
sword.
there.
Oh, you're gonna put the Barbies over there in your Barbie dream house?
Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, is that good?
Mhm.
Cool, guys. Do you guys like all your little toys?
And do you want some chocolate?
Cool. I hope we get some different ones in our next video. Hey, where'd you guys go? Oh, hi. Oh, what's up, guys?
I'm putting this in my Barbie house.
Oh, she's going to her Barbie house over
Back
here.
here.
Which is over here. This is Arielle's
Arielle's
Barbie dream house with all her very beautiful stuff. These are our behind the scenes footage. Alright guys. Awesome! Awesome guys!
Bye guys, I'll see you next time on ArielleStar Live. Make sure to put a big thumbs up and ring the bell and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye!
Bye! Make sure you guys subscribe. Ah, it's a chocolate fight! Oh my gosh! Yum, 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 yum. Alright guys, see you guys in our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Bye, I said bye.
Smash that subscribe.
Bye,
Hit that
I said
like.
bye.
See you later. We said bye. Deuces! We got the cleanup crew here. Bella's the cleanup crew. Hey Bella. Bella, come here. Bella, come here. I don't think it's good for you to eat chocolate, little girl. Is it good? Bella, what do you get? What is it, girl? What is it, girl? Did you find your chocolate? Good. Alright, gotta stop this girl before she eats some more chocolate.